Hello and welcome back to the channel and welcome to Gravity, probably the biggest show of the year in the UK for us. As you can see behind me, we're all set up, we're joined by a whole host of team cars. I've even got my driver's band because we're drifting this weekend as well. We've got a whole ton of stuff going on. We're going to take a look around the show, then get out there, show you some of the action.
Hit the scene and it's all green. On go, we ain't never doing small things. Being fitted for the crown, cause we all kings. If you know you got the shine, let them people know it's time for the show. Hit the scene and it's all green. On go, we ain't never doing small things. Being fitted for the crown, cause we all kings. If you know you got the shine, let them people know it's time for the show. Built to thrive, ain't just here for the ride. Don't know how I caught this stride, but since then it been live, I'm a burly. Cause I ain't missing the shot when I'm worthy. I been chasing rings, they only want in the jersey. Yeah, slimmer than after the Benjamin versus unlimited. Blood in this ink, I been hemorrhaging. Take me to imaging. No, they can't match with their energy. That's why I'm finna be taking the game to new levels. Just peep how I'm sending it. I put the music up first and competition come last. Repetitions beat them beyond recognition. We are eons ahead. Wait till the price catch up. I always knew I'd win. It's how my life set up. Slim don't fold. Probably bumping some old in the whip. Game sold from the people much older out here. Keep patience and your calling will reach you. But you probably prolong it if nobody can't teach you. But back to this greatness unfolding. I don't see nobody outpacing. I'm focused, mental in shape, and I ain't shaking this motion. This could make a movie on screen. When I step out there, it's seen with me go. Hit the scene and it's all green. On go, we ain't never doing small things. Being fitted for the crown, cause we all kings. If you know you got the shine, let them people know it's watch out for intruders. Still a student to the game. You don't see me rocking chains, cause I think that is lame. All my brothers getting slain from the police. Blood stains leaking on the concrete. All my aunties always warn me to stay up off the street, cause he's tucking heat. Yeah, the feeling of defeat.
And constantly finding ways to level up my mind state. Ain't no justice for us, you could peep it in the crime rate. I left behind